Well, hi guys. Yes, we're back. We're back because, well, I got to get some of this, and we've got several deals I want to tell you about, and one of them is a really big fern. So you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in, because somebody out there that you know has got a fur baby. And they need this information. So the quickest way to share it is simply place it on your Facebook news feed. Okay? You might even want to share a picture of your loved fur baby on there as well. Just ask your friends to share it, because somebody out there, as I said, needs to save a little money. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, go right ahead and subscribe. We'll save you money every day. Let the video play all the way to the end as a courtesy to everybody, because that's how YouTube sends out your notifications. They figure if you watch it all, you must be interested, so they make sure they notify you on a regular basis. So please and thank you, do that for me, as well as leave me a comment. Do you have a fur baby? I want to know. Tell me what kind of fur baby you got and what's their name. I actually have 3. I've got a rescue dog that came with my house. It seems like every time I get a house or move, I get a dog. He has several names. So we just call him Dog with Many Names, because sometimes he's dog, sometimes he's ranger dog, sometimes he's dude. And recently, he's been Fireball. So yeah, Dog with Many Names. And then of course there is Bandit and Finn, which are my 2 cats, which is the reason why I need so much of this. We got several deals, as I said. This is on sale for $7.75, and you've got $1 off, so $6.75 on the small tidy cats. Okay. Now we have a $3.50 earn on this multi-cat Arm & Hammer. I'm going to scan and make sure I'm grabbing the right one, because it's going to make this 20 pounds for $9. And even if I used both of my dollar coupons, because we actually have 2 dollar coupons for this 10 pound, we would only be at 20 pounds, and we'll be spending $13. Okay. The only better deal for litter here is the Tidy Cats, $13.75, 23 pounds. And that's only because you're getting the 3 extra pounds. Alright, let's talk about this. This is on sale for $11.35, so you're already saving big bucks. And I've got 2 coupons. I got the $3.50 earn on this. It's only 14 pounds though, and I have a $2 off. Now if I do the $2 off, I'm at $9.35 for this. Okay. If I do the earn, I'll be at $8.35. But I can turn around and bring that $3.50 earn back in. I don't know if that $2 coupon will work on this. It might not work on this. So, let me scan this one again. Your $3.50 earn will work on the 20 pound, and it will work on the 14 pound clump and seal. Okay? It will work on both. Your $3.50 will. You also have a $2 off that I do not think works on this one. I think it works on this one. So if that's the case, we're going to pick up this one and use our $3.50 earn. That's going to make it the same price as that one there. Will be like $8.50. Okay, $9.50. Be $9.50 for the big one, and then I can bring that $3.50 earn back in here and roll it over, and get this one for $5.35. Yeah, that sounds like a winning deal right there. I think that's going to be the plan, guys. And if you ever wonder what and how I do this, and you know what's going on in my head, well, that's how the brain works. Looks like we have another Easy Clean Clump and Seal up here. Okay, one has odor blasters and one does not. So it looks like you got a couple of choices. Okay, guys, we're going to talk about the 4 for 12. We do have a 4 for 12 on the Gain deal, but we don't have any stacking coupons to use with it this time. It's just straight across 4 for 12. That is still an awesome deal. The only thing is we're going to include it in a scenario, and remember when you do, that coupon is a store coupon, and you will have to go over, okay, that little bit. And you can do this any day of the week. You don't have to do it on Saturday if you don't want to. You can do it any day of the week. You'd be paying $12 for the Gain flings, fabric softener, fireworks, dryer sheets, and if you wanted to add the Tide Pods with that, you would be paying, this on sale for $5.50, you'd be paying $3 for this. So altogether you'd be paying $15 for this, a Tide fling, a Tide, or not a Tide fling, a Gain fling, a Gain fabric softener, okay, a Gain fireworks, and a dryer sheet for those 450 items, okay. Now, let's talk about Snuggle. We've got a coupon $3 off of 2 on the Snuggle. Alright, and it's a manufacturer coupon. So you can use it with the Persil deal. And you can pick up 2 of the Snuggle, 1 of the $5.50 Persils, okay, and 2 of your dial soaps. And that's going to be enough to cover. That's going to be enough to cover your $15 purchase, which is what you need for that. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, look, we got little reindeer cookies. Limited batch reindeer cookies. These are like the animal crackers cookies. Alright, the next thing we're going to pick up, and just because it's going to be like $1 for 2, we got a $1.50 earn back when you get 2 of these body armor drinks. They're $1.35 a piece. So in essence, it's going to be like $1.10 for 2 of these. Okay, so I'm going to pick up 2. These earns, they're going to go towards another transaction. As I said, it will either go towards a food transaction or towards the cat litter transaction. Something I actually need. We also have a $2 off when you spend $14 on Gatorade, okay? It's a Gatorade or Pepsi coupon, along with that $14 other Mountain Dew coupon. This one's a Pepsi coupon. It is a $2 off when you spend $14 on Pepsi products. And Gatorade is one of those Pepsi products. So you could actually pick up, oh, here they are. Let's see. These big ones, they are $8 a piece. So 2 of these, and you would get 2 off. That's these big ones right here. Or you could do the 3 for $11 on the Gatorade. Small ones, 6 packs. The 3 for $11. And then go pick up a few cans of the Pepsi products. Just so you spend $14, you will get that $2 off. Oh, you remember the days where we could get 3 bags of Reese cups for $5? Well, it ain't happening this year. This is what we got going on. We've got the $16 bags, buy 2 get 1 free. Do that on Saturday for sure. And then it comes with the $5 off. We also have the $10 ones, buy 2 get 1 free. And it also comes with the $5 off. A lot of these candies come with that $5 off when you spend $20. And then scan, because some are buy two, get one free. Others are 2 for $10. And then we've got this one right here, which is buy one, get one 50% off. Alright. Oh, lots of deals, guys. This stuff soon will be going on clearance. And I wanted to show you these. Look at this. When this stuff goes on clearance, these are awesome baskets, and you can use them year-round anywhere. Okay? Look how pretty these baskets are, and they're very sturdy. Okay? We have these huge sunflowers. There's 3 different sizes. You can use these any time of the year. Okay? And there's a whole bunch of these. You can use these during the summer and the fall. And then we have these ones that are $1. And there's a bunch of them as well. Again, this stuff right here can be used during the summer as well as the fall. We have the green tablecloth. This $10 just green tablecloth. That, again, can be used any time of the year. Plaid. You have other plaid tablecloths any time of the year. So some of this stuff, yard signs, those $3 mushroom signs up there, oh my gosh, any time of the year. So we're looking for things that are interchangeable. And of course, the paper plates, we can use them at any time. We got this $6 pumpkin spice life tumbler. If you got somebody that that likes pumpkin spice stuff, that would be a good gift. Alright. Okay, guys, we are going to be heading out. Oh, we got some new blankets and stuff in. They finally got this little spot filled up. The new little footstools up there. Look, you got the cow and a unicorn. And they moved those little chairs up top. Alright, we are headed out the door, guys. Because my phone's about ready to die. Well, guys, we were back out in the car. And my total out of pocket was like $19 and some change. Okay, and I'm going to be getting $5 back in earns. $3.50 off the cat litter and $1.50 on the tropical punch. So $5 back, so right at $14 and change out of pocket, and I think that's an awesome deal considering the original cost of the cat litter was $12.50. So yep, got me some cookies and one of my tropical punches pretty much for free. So blessings. I'll talk to you again real soon, because we're going to come back and get some more deals. And you don't want to miss out, so make sure if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And if you already subscribed, well, don't forget to come back. Love you bunches.